Welcome to my channel. How to optimize Arris G54 for smart home ecosystems. 1. Reboot your router. Unplug your Arris G54, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This clears temporary cache and refreshes network functions before you start configuration. 2. Access the router interface. Open a browser and enter 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials found on the router label. 3. Update firmware. Navigate to Administration, Firmware Update. Check for and install the latest firmware to improve compatibility and stability for connected devices. 4. Separate frequency bands. Go to Wireless Settings and assign unique names, SSIDs, to your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. This helps smart devices connect to the proper band for better performance. 5. Connect smart devices to 2.4 GHz. Use the 2.4 GHz band for smart plugs, bulbs, cameras, and other IoT devices. This frequency provides wider coverage and stronger penetration for low-power devices. 6. Enable MU-MIMO and OFDMA. Under Advanced Wireless Settings, enable MU-MIMO and OFDMA. These technologies optimize multi-device communication, reducing latency and congestion. 7. Optimize Wi-Fi channels. In wireless channel settings, manually select the least congested channels. Use channels 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz, and set 5 GHz to auto or test available options for best results. 8. Configure COS, Quality of Service. Go to COS settings and enable the feature. Assign higher priority to critical devices such as hubs, security cameras, or voice assistants. 9. Strengthen network security. Open wireless security settings and activate WPA3 if available. It provides stronger encryption for connected smart devices and prevents unauthorized access. 10. Use the Arris Surfboard Central app. Download and set up the Arris Surfboard Central app. Use it to view connected devices, monitor traffic, manage parental controls, and adjust Wi-Fi settings remotely. 11. Create a separate network for IoT devices. In advanced settings, use guest network or VLAN settings to isolate smart home devices from your primary network. This enhances security and prevents interference between systems. 12. Verify performance. After applying all changes, reconnect your devices and test functionality through your smart home app. Check for stable connections, low response time, and consistent coverage. Thanks for watching.